Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, this is going to be a template preview. This is what it looks like, and this is the iPhone invitations. I think these are super cute. Look at that. Can you guys see it really good? Yeah, these are super cute. Super cute. Look at that. The link on, or should I say the video to how to do this will be over there on my Patreon page. This was a request. You guys, this is too cute. Like, this is cute. This is adorable. I can see a teenager wanting this. Like, this is cute. There's a step-by-step video on how I created these, as well as the images of the phone over there, ready to use. Look at that. Super cute. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.